Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So this is episode 4 of the 150k Apex Trigger Funding Challenge. The reason why I'm uploading this a day after May 11th is because I actually took melatonin and NyQuil so that I could rest because I'm sick, and I didn't make any time to edit the video, so I apologize about that. But for this video, I did record the 2 live trades that I took. For the 3rd trade, I did not record it, but I was up in profit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into those live trade recordings. Alright, so I'm looking to see if we're going to hold and stay above this 144, 145 level. I want to see continuation up to 61. Oh, there she goes, coming down towards the EMA. We broke through that 45. Might have a chance to VWAP now. Let's see. Yeah, maybe at 20. That'd be kind of an interesting play. I'm going to go and take this short here. Take it to 20. With all this liquidity down here sitting. I wonder if we're going to bounce off this trend line though. But let's see. We're just going to hold this, play patient here on holding all the way through. Here's my trading view. Obviously, we're a little bullish momentum to the upside. I was hoping we can get up to 67 today, as that was previous highs from overnight sesh. But I want to get a pullback, a nice pullback. That would be pretty darn cool. So yeah, here we go. We are having our TP at 13,422, and we enter it at 13,434. So about 12 points we're looking for here. I just want to gather all this liquidity that is sitting here with these long wicks. So hopefully we can grab those. That would be really nice little squeeze to the downside for us. But we're starting to bounce off this trend. We want it to fail. Let's look at Bookmap. Yeah, so 3250, as you can see, market profile. That means there's just lots of orders hanging out here. I want to see this break, and I want to come down and retest this 420 area, as this is our next market profile area. So let's pay attention to what's going to happen here. Because we got slapped off this top here, so I want to see if we can continue being slapped down. Let's get our 5-minute. I'll look at the 5. It's more promising if we're able to hold and close to the bottom side of this candle, so it's engulfing the previous bullish one. So it's not looking too good for us. It's reversing. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade, taking about $100 loss. Just a second. Let's see. Still being patient. We're about to exit. Yep. Let's look at our 3-minute. Bouncing off the EMA. It's our 1-minute. Above the EMA. Yeah. So this is going to be $100. Actually, more than $100 loss here. I'm just watching. Just being patient still. I want a strong squeeze to the upside if it is going to close on us here. Be honest with my losses, because that's what I have to do when it comes to trading and to you guys. So we obviously don't want this to be a loss though. We want this to continue the flush. I got in late. That is a bad entry on my part, 100%. And you know, one thing that I've learned the last 2 days is I need to do better with my entries. Today I hesitated. I hesitated very badly. So yeah, that's no one's fault but my own. Come on, let's get that pull. Let's see if we're going to get that pull or not. It looks like it wants to stay out of this trend, though. So it's not looking too promising on our side. We're still about $100 loss right now. Okay, about to exit. My max loss for this trade will be about $200, because that's not too bad on a 150k account. Yep. Okay, I'm exiting. So that's my first loss of the day. I'm down about $200. So yeah, it's all good though. It's the obvious bullish momentum to the upside. So I'm just gonna play this long. I'm gonna play it all the way up to the upside, and we're gonna take it at our 60 level, as I had mentioned earlier. So yeah, we have our target in. Let's see, oops, that's 60. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna hold this all the way through, and let's see what happens. We're just back and forth, back and forth. Here we go. We're gonna have it. Super close to breaking this reach. So we got that $200 loss back. We're up a little bit as well. And as you can see, I did scale in a second contract because I was following this bull momentum. There it is. There is that nice little squeeze to grab our target. Now I'm waiting to see if we get a nice little squeeze up to 60. Let's see what we got going on here. We got 60, 56, 66. Okay, let's just watch this to see if we can get the squeeze all the way up to 60 at least. And then we're going to call it on this trade. Oh, 58. Slight reverse on 58. We put it at 59.75 just in case it does fully reject. And yeah, so there's a reject. So 58.50 is what we're sitting at. Let me go ahead and just look at the 5 real quick. Look at book map as well. Lots of orders stacking now. Doesn't want us to go up. Oops, let me actually move this back up to my 60 target. So I'm going to hold conviction that we're able to touch 60. So, my throat hurts. I need to drink some water. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see if we got enough push. You guys saw me take that trade here. Okay, we're coming up. So many orders are just hanging out. All right, here we go. Let's wait for that push. Wait for that push. One little squeeze. Ooh, super close. We're at 59. How's our orders looking? Oh yeah, you see that heavy liquidity stack there. So we just need to squeeze through this one more time. I might just close it right here, honestly. I don't like this idea. I'm still hovering. I haven't moved it. I'm waiting to see if it's going to touch our 60 target. Okay. I think we might have to call it there on that trade. All right, cool. Yeah, I moved it to 58.50. So a little less than $7 drawdown, but we're sitting at 156 and 240. So pretty happy at least with securing that nice winning trade compared to that $200 loss we were at. So yeah, let's go ahead and wrap up today's video. And that is a wrap of episode 4 of the 150K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Didn't feel too comfortable trading anymore because of PPI being released, and it was just too much sideways action for me to really have any good trades. So yeah, I'm glad that I ended the way that I did, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for your time and your support. I wish you nothing but the best and most success in your trading journey, and I'll see you all in the next video.